Hi everyone. We'll be exploring the Magento 2 Fargo Shipping Marketplace Add-on. Allows customers to track shipments directly from their account, complete with smart tracking widgets. The customers can also see the Fargo shipping details in the order summary. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Let's start with the configuration settings. First, go to Marketplace Management. There, you will see an option called Fargo Configuration Settings. Click on it. You'll find a section for Fargo shipping visible on that page, which also includes the product information. As you can see, I've already enabled the module. To enable it, simply select Yes. You will also need to add a title. I will show you that later. For default shipping, you need to choose Yes or No. For now, I've selected Yes. Then, you'll need to set a default shipping rate. I've set it to 20. For sellers to access Fargo shipping details, simply select Yes. When set to Yes, the Manage Fargo Shipping option becomes visible for the seller. If you select No and save it, the Fargo shipping option will not appear for the seller. So, make sure to select Yes. Next, you need to configure the default item length, default item width, and default item height. These values will be used when no dimensions are added to the product. Then, you'll see three fields: API key, API secret key, and Google API key. The Google API key is optional, but the other two are required. Enter your Fargo shipping API key and secret key. Enable the sandbox mode by selecting Yes and enter the web service URL. After filling in all the necessary information, click Save Configuration to apply the changes. Now we will start with the seller's configuration. Here we can see two visible options. The first is Shipping Settings, and the second is Manage Fargo Shipping. First, we need to click on Shipping Settings and fill in all the required information. As you can see, I've already filled in the necessary details here. After entering the required information, just click the Save button to save everything. Next, click on the Manage Fargo Shipping option. Here, you'll see fields for the API key, API secret key, and Google API key. The seller can enter their own Fargo shipping credentials, just like I'm entering the API key and secret key now. After filling in these fields, click the Save button. Once both pieces of information are saved, you need to verify it. For that, I'm heading over to the customer's end to verify the setup. Here on the customer's end, you can see that various products are available. I'm going to select two products. As you can see, I'm adding both of them to the cart. Now, I'll click on View and Edit Cart. Here, you can see that both products are listed under StarShop, meaning they belong to the same seller. Next, click on Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see three shipping methods available. My address is already saved, so we just need to select the Fargo shipping method, as our module uses Fargo shipping, and then click Next. After clicking Next, a new page will open to place the order with the chosen payment method. Now, wait for the payment to complete. The order has been successfully placed. Now, come back to the admin end and check the order. As you can see, all the orders are visible. There's one more feature in this module. You can create the shipping label directly from here. To do that, click on Ship, then select Create Shipping Label. Next, click Select, then Add Product. I've added two products here and selected both. You'll need to enter the default weight and length. After filling in all the required information, just click the Save button. The shipment will be created, and the shipping label will be generated. There's also an option called Track Order, which allows the admin to track the order on behalf of the customer. Similarly, just as I created the shipment with the shipping label, the seller can also create a shipping label for their customer. For example, in my order history, I've already created a shipment. To show you the process, click on View Order, then go to Shipment. By clicking on Create Shipping Label, a window will open. The process is similar to what we did on the admin end. Now, on the customer's end, there's an option available to track the order. As you can see, the Track Order option is visible in the navigation bar, and it's also available under the My Account section. Customers can track their orders from either location. To do so, the first step is to find the tracking number. Click on My Orders. If the shipment has been created, the tracking number will be generated. In the Order Shipment section, you'll see the tracking number. Simply copy it. Now, you can check the tracking status. You'll see the same information displayed in the tracking window. The order can be tracked from there, and the same tracking interface will appear. Our order is now successfully tracked. That's all about this module.
So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.